good morning. How is our day? If you ask me how's my day is I'm going to clean today and I'm going to prepare something yummy for my friends to come today. She will come here, so I had to prepare her a pizza. Not an order pizza, but I have to make my own pizza. So I'm slicing the what do you call this, onions, tomato, and everything on it. And then the most special food that I prepared for her is please don't be shocked, a chicken feet. Chicken feet is so yummy. It's favorite of the Filipino people. So yeah, this is our chicken feet. Yeah. I'm gonna cook it for her. As you see, this is chicken feet. It's very yummy, believe me. It's so yummy. And then I'm gonna prepare the spices on it. Onions, ginger, garlic, a little bit of chili, and you know what? I boiled it with this thing. I'm gonna use this one, Sprite, to make it yummy. I'm gonna boil the chicken feet, use the Sprite. It's very yummy. And then after that, I'm going to put a sauce and the spices on it, and I will show you guys how it tastes so yummy. Bye for now. I hope all is good for all of us. Later, I'm gonna show you if it's done already, because for now I have to boil it. I'm going to put a Sprite as I tell you, and I have the what you call this here already, the sauce here, this, yeah, this one, yeah, this is the sauce, and it's all complete, this one, yeah, all with the Sprite on it and everything. So for now I'm gonna show you how I put it. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And then I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna mix it. Yes. Yeah, like that. Yeah, this one. And then I'm gonna on the fire and let it soft, and if it's cooked later I will show you. It's very yummy. Yeah, this is how you make the chicken feet. Yeah, it's now done. And it's very lovely, yummy, yummy. See? Oh my goodness. Ah, very yummy. It's very yummy. Yeah, that's how it looks like, the chicken. It's done, perfectly done. Hello, kain tayo. We're going to have lunch. This is chicken feet.
Gusto mo yan? Gusto ko yung di.
This is chicken feet.
Kaya ko ang durog.
And the fish.
Tulad natin na buo ba? Para ramdam mo talaga. Kasi
Yes.
diba nagluluto?
Hello. 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 Hello.
May pinggan pa.
I'm making chicken feet adobo. Julie, try my chicken feet.
Hindi, nagluluto din ka ng
This is very yummy, I can assure you.
sinanay.
Jul, masarap ito, Jul.
Oo, kakain. Sige, ano? Pagkuha.
Ano yan? Durog yan?
Hindi. Buo.
Wala lang sabaw. Doesn't have any sauce.
Dapat punta si Malita dito ngayon.
What?
Punta si Malita dito ngayon.
Yeah, I want to show her the chicken feet. So this is how the Filipino eating chicken feet.
Sa amin kanina. Pinagtanggol niya kami.
Who?
Kasi silulunga at tanong paano. Pero,
Chicken feet.
Oo, iba lang yan si Lolo.
It's very good.
ano naman si Los?
It's very good.
Alam mo si nanay niyo, ano mo siya. Parang ano niya mga katulong.
Ba't
Tayo nga.
niyo, no?
Oo, bumait nanay
Sabi
niya.
na nga, ba nice ang mga katulong ko? Kasi nice din ko, sabi niya nung isang linggo.
Doon na ba siya? Laki ng mukha ng Malita.
Bait yan.
Yeah. No.
Bait. Totoo.
Kuhanin ko lang para magpabata.
Yes. If you're going to eat chicken feet, you will be young because it has collagen on it.
Pagahap lang ito. Ha? Hindi, kasi yan may oil.
Nami.
Itong yummy, kasi yung, tingnan nyo.
Ah, malaglag. Ay, sorry.
Gusto ko magkamay.
Mainit. Huwag ilagay mo siya.
Maya na ako titira sa chicken feet ha.
Gusto ko yung habang.
Sa fish muna ako.
Mayami, Julie, mayami. Yummy.
Lahat lang pig.
Lalo ba kami siyang?
Sabaw lang ako.
Saka na ako na dito isda.
Natakot ako. Hindi na kasi pala hindi ano.
Chicken feet.
Alam mo,
Pain reliever.
kahit naglabas sa bahay, natakot ako.
Hindi ah.
Kanina, kagabi. Nung namugas ako ng ano, ng
Sahap lang?
labas.
Wala ka naglaba.
Ako, 20